I started this clinic in March of 1983. Spay neuter clinic we started in 2011.
We are a low-cost clinic for spay and neuter. We do roughly anywhere from probably 30 to 50 surgeries a day.
The big issue with instrument preparation is the disorganization, that it's haphazard, that it's disorganized. The nice thing about scrub rack is it tends to take that disorganized process and organize it so that it moves faster, it does a better job with the instruments, and you have less problems with instruments afterwards not being there.
We're moving at such a high volume, fast pace. Having something like this is really nice because we tend to rack up tons and tons of packs. Not having to worry about like separating everything, and then we used to have these giant piles and everything was falling apart. So having everything clearly labeled where you can just automatically grab where you need it.
The staff that I really trust really likes the process.
I will say that I was a little skeptical about the machine and instrument holders in the beginning, but after seeing how much of a breeze it was to keep up with the surgery packs during our hectic days, I love it.
Which is very important. Time and money is a big deal at our clinic because we do so many surgeries. And you have to do that efficiently. You cannot mess around.
Anything that can help us stay organized, keep us moving, keep stuff working well, and do less work for us physically and/or mentally is always really, really helpful for us.
Innovation is a critical thing in a veterinary clinic. It just really is. I mean, you have to constantly change. You have to constantly improve, because if you don't, everybody else moves ahead of you. I like scrub rack. I like to be able to endorse scrub rack. This is something that I volunteered to do. We are not compensated for this in any way. I think that it's a product that most veterinarians, especially large clinics, are going to need to take a look at.